Welcome to Evergreen Baptist Church of Los Angeles. Here are this week's announcements. Quarter Life is Evergreen's young adult community for 20-somethings. Join us every Wednesday for worship, teaching, and community building. Our pastoral intern, Pete Sung, will be speaking this summer. We hope to see you there. Evergreen is hosting Family Promise during the week of August 24th. Help us extend hospitality to these families as we provide home-cooked meals, evenings of fun, and good conversation. Please consider signing up to volunteer. Olympia Academy is a residential treatment facility for teens struggling with the challenges of drug abuse. We are seeking volunteers for a barbecue taking place on Saturday, August 23rd. Volunteers are needed to cook, interact with residents, and clean up. Please contact the office to sign up. No experience is necessary. For more details and information, please refer to your bulletins. Thanks for listening.